Welcome back. Today's video, I'm gonna work backwards. I'm gonna show you some techniques that I used to create this horse. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'll take requests. If you wanna start at the beginning and create an animal, I have a video showing how I make a rabbit. To begin, all the shapes are grouped together, so we're gonna ungroup them. And I might have to do that several times. There we go. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so some of it's already moved, like the tail here has moved. As you can see, it's just a bunch of lines I created, strands. And then I put this black mask over top to kind of give it some, to kind of fill in the little white gaps a little more. And the way that's one of the techniques if you want to create shade. There's a few pieces here as well, giving it some contour. And the way that is created is you just go insert shape, and then you could choose a circle, make it into an oval, and then make it black. And then I like to take the outline off, and then I go into shape effects, and then I go soft edges, and then choose one that's relatively not as dark. I think this was a gray maybe, but let's just see here. Just go shape outline, shape effects, soft edges. Sorry, it always blocks the, I don't know, that's one of the worst things, is it blocks the picture. But so you go here, you go shape effects, and then pick one of these. Here it is. So then you can rotate it. You can add it somewhere. Let's say wherever. I want to move it here. You can tell. I think there's a little bit under his eye. I'm not sure. Anyways, here's some. See, I had to, when I created the bevel for the whole horse, it made a lot of shininess on the bottom, so I use this to cover it up. And then this as well, I grouped them, this hair, and then there's a cover over top of it, masking it. And let's go, and then there's one over the eye, just here. And we'll go back, we'll do a before and after, and I'll show you that again, or you can look at the title page. And then there's some lines here, some white lines. You can see it's a white line that I added onto the mane. And then take this mask off. There's another one. I don't think I grouped them. And then there's some pieces of hair, more pieces of hair. And you can go like this. Just move them all off. And it's quite a bit. This thing too. I think this one I didn't even group them. The eye comes off. The nostril, the cover, nostril, the bridle pieces come off. And this ring was made with a circle. So that was basically, and the eye and the nostril, they're just ovals. So insert shape, and then that would be the eye. For example, I just move it like that, make it rotated, and then give it a black color. So the ears, oh sorry, I was going to show you the ring. So the ring was made, just grab this one, grab that, You can adjust it, make it narrower, give it a gold color. I think I just gave it a gradient as well. I didn't think I gave it any kind of bevel or anything like that. I could be wrong. But a gradient like that. And then once you make it really small, like it is, there you go. Something like that. This one. This one can be made bigger. See? Yeah. And I just moved the gradient a certain way. So there's that. And for the actual horse body, it's all, this is separate. As you can see, I just shaped it using the uh, edit points. Edit points here. I just shaped this body out how it needed to be. There's some more masking. Sorry. And then I made it. But anyways, I just want to go back a little bit. Maybe I can grab uh, everything and see if shape effects, bevel. So yeah, this is the bevel. I think, oops. Yeah, so that's just showing a different bevel. So now that we've seen the bevel here, I'm going to take it off completely. So now it's just a flat shape, flat with some gradient. Shape fill, no fill, and then just put the outline back that used to be there. There you go. So now you can see all the different shapes I used, and I just shaped them with edit points, like I said. And we're going to ungroup that, group, ungroup. And so, yeah, it was just a matter of taking pieces like this trapezoid, which is actually right here. That's all that piece was. And then if I needed a longer piece like that, okay, I made the longer piece. And then edit points. And I could grab this point and bring it in a little bit more and create some shape and make the kind of curved, added a few extra points as well. Edit points. Oops. That's all there really is to it. It's just creating your basic shapes, molding them to get the body right, the legs right, and filling it in with the color, and then adding some special techniques like bevels, which really help the item, help your project look really well done. So I'm just going to show you how it was again. It's about, I'd say, 2.5, 3 hours worth of work, but the more work you put into it, the better it looks. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.